Snacks in China, it's about, I would say, 6 kwai per bags of, let's say, a bag of chips. Back home, it's about, I would say, $3 to $5.
In China, there's so much like street snacks, you know, like baozi or jianbian, and you can pay. They can be so cheap, like 5 RMB, 10 RMB, maybe even less. In some cases. Whereas in the UK, you'd be paying a lot more. I mean, you'd buy your snacks from the supermarket, crisps, chocolate. That'll all be in the region of like maybe £1.50, £2.
The snacks I really like are dried fruit and nuts. I just feel it's much easier to get them in China, and we have the shopping website. Everybody uses Taobao, and on them you can find really good deals. But I do feel like when I was going to the supermarkets of like farmers market in the States, they tend to be more expensive, and they're not always available all seasons.
Yeah, so like here in Shanghai, you can get all kinds of snacks because they have a lot of import shops. If you go to like a convenience store in China, yeah, you can get like a $2 like cookie biscuit snack. Whereas in Australia, it would be like at least like $5 or something like that.
If you were going to the store and you're getting like, I don't know, let's say like a drink and maybe like some chips here, you probably won't spend over like maybe 5 or 6 kwai. But for sure, like in America, like if you picked up like a drink or a soda and some chips or like cookies, it would probably cost you maybe like $9, maybe 10.